The town of Carmel by the Sea is located just about 15 to 20 minutes south of Monterey. It's an amazingly beautiful place with an interesting history. The general area was originally inhabited by the Native American tribes of Esselen and Ohlone. Later, Spanish people colonized the area. In the year 1821, this area became part of Mexico, and subsequently in 1848 it became part of United States after the US Mexican War. In 1906, after the earthquake of San Francisco, lot of artists moved to Carmel and made it their home. This area was dominated by artists like playwrights, painters, poets, etc. At one time, they say 60% of the houses were owned by artists. Many of the town's mayors were artists, the most notable being Clint Eastwood. Carmel by the Sea was incorporated as a town in 1916. Many famous writers and playwrights like George Sterling and Mary Austin lived in the city. As per the 2020 census, the town has a population of approximately 3,000 people. Carmel by the Sea has many interesting features. For example, the city has no house numbers, so houses are recognized by their names only, and so the postal department cannot deliver mail. People have to go to post office and collect their mail. There are no street lights and there are no parking meters. For example, the women cannot wear high heels without a permit. And the reason behind this strange law is to prevent lawsuits arising from tipping accidents due to cities' uneven pavements. As we approached the beach, we were mesmerized by the sound of bagpipe. Carmel is very well known for the white sands and a beautiful beach spreading along the coast for miles together. We were among scores of people waiting to see the sun go down in a beautiful sunset. Golden sun and white sands truly describes Carmel. Dusk had fallen, and we started walking back, looking at the beautifully lit, aesthetically built houses on our way back. In our mind, we were rewinding the scenes of Carmel as we came in for the day, beautiful trees with autumn colors, and marvelous architecture. Although many doors had closed for the day, we could still see inside beautiful interiors and advertising display. The city of Carmel by the sea had made a lasting impression on us, and we thought we must return here again someday.